Hello everyone. We were doing chapter number 9, so let us continue the chapter. Tenali asked about the painting that where is the other side of these two men? We can only see the right side, and where is the face of the cow? Then Raja said, "What an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing." Raja said, "We cannot see everything in the painting. Whatever is painted, only that we can see, and rest we can imagine." Tenali said, "I bet I can paint better than that." "Well, I could if I had the paints." Raja said, "I beg you a bag of gold that you can't. I'll give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month if at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the ones we saw today. I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artists." Now, King said to Tenali Raman, "If you can draw painting which is half as better than this painting which this artist has drawn, then I'll give you a bag of gold and also the title King of Artists." Tenali agreed and King gave him leave for a month. Tenali said, "I agree. After a month, I will show you a better painting than that one." The courtiers start smiling and sniggering. Sniggering means laughing unkindly. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks angrily at the giggling courtiers and walks out. First courtier, "You have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he is the smartest person in the world." Second courtier said, "He has really painted himself into a corner. Means he has put himself in a tricky situation from where it is difficult to come out. I would like to see him get out of that one." Means to come out of this awkward situation which he has created for himself. Raja, I wouldn't be too certain of that. He is really very clever. Now Raja knew that Tenali is very clever. He can definitely do something. A month passes. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. Means talking very slowly. Raja, "So what do we do today?" First courtier said, "Sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his painting." Raja, "Where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch." Second courtier, "Perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost the track of the days." Lost the track of the days means he has lost count of the days and does not remember today's date. Then third courtier said, "Perhaps his painting is so good that he cannot bear to part with it. He is making fun and he is saying maybe he has made such a nice painting that he cannot stay away from the painting." Raja, "Well, I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bet and the bag of gold." Fourth courtier, "It's only fair that if he doesn't make good his boast, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold." Now Raja said, "I cannot wait anymore. Somebody please go to his house and call him. And if he is not coming, tell him that he has lost the bet, lost the challenge." And then the fourth courtier is saying that it's only fair if he doesn't make good his boast. Means he doesn't do as he said he would. And now he is saying if he does not show the painting, then he should pay the court a bag of gold.